Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw circles on your iPad. Start by opening your favorite drawing app. Look for the drawing tools, usually represented by a pen or brush icon. Select one, then simply draw a rough circle on your screen. Don't worry about perfection just yet. The iPad's shape recognition will help us refine it. After drawing your rough circle, keep your Apple Pencil or finger held down for about 1 second at the end of your stroke. You'll see the iPad's shape recognition feature kick in, transforming your freehand attempt into a perfectly smooth circle. You can then easily resize or reposition it as needed. Many drawing applications offer dedicated shape tools for even more precision. Navigate to the Shapes menu, often found near the other drawing tools. Choose the circle or oval option, then simply drag your Apple Pencil or finger across the canvas to create a perfectly symmetrical circle of any size. Once your circle is in place, you can customize it further. Most apps allow you to change the fill color, adjust the outline thickness, or even add shadows. You can also rotate, duplicate, or layer multiple circles to create intricate patterns and designs, giving your artwork a professional touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.